Welcome to Learn English channel. My name is Sharif. Conjunctions in English. Conjunctions, they are the essential connectors in the English language, the words that link words, phrases, and clauses together to create more complex and interesting sentences. Think of them as the glue that holds your ideas together. There are three main types of conjunctions. 1. Coordinating conjunctions. These are probably the most common and easiest to remember. They join elements of equal grammatical rank, that is, two words, two phrases, or two independent clauses. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions, often remembered by the acronym fanboys. 4. Indicates a reason or cause. Example, she was tired, for she hadn't slept well. And adds one thing to another. Example, I like to read and write. Nor presents a negative alternative. Example, he didn't call, nor did he write. But shows a contrast or exception. Example, it was raining, but we still went for a walk. Or presents an alternative or choice. Example, would you like tea or coffee? Yet shows a contrast despite something else. Example, he studied hard, yet he failed the test. So, indicates a result or consequence. Example, it was late, so we went home. 2. Subordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions introduce dependent clauses, also known as subordinate clauses, and connect them to an independent clause. A dependent clause cannot stand alone as a sentence. It relies on the independent clause for its meaning. There are many subordinating conjunctions, indicating various relationships such as time, cause, condition, and contrast. Here are a few common ones. Time, after, before, when, while, until, since, as soon as, whenever. Example, after the rain stopped, we went outside. I always double-check my work before submitting it. The phone rang loudly when I was in the middle of cooking dinner. She listened to music while she studied for her exam. We waited patiently until the rain finally stopped. They have lived in this neighborhood since they were children. As soon as the bell rang, the students rushed out of the classroom. Whenever I visit my grandparents, they make my favorite cookies. 'Cause/reason, because, since, as. Example, we stayed inside because it was raining. Condition, if, unless, provided that, as long as. Example, I will go to the party if I finish my work. We won't go to the park unless the weather improves. You can borrow my car provided that you fill up the gas tank afterward. You can stay out late as long as you call me to check in. Contrast/concession, although, though, even though, while, whereas. Example, although it was cold, she wore a dress. Though it was raining, they decided to go for a walk. Even though he was tired, he stayed up to finish the project. While some people prefer coffee, others enjoy tea. This phone has a large screen, whereas the other one is more compact. 3. Correlative conjunctions. These conjunctions work in pairs to join grammatically equal elements. Some common correlative conjunctions include both and. Example, both the cat and the dog are asleep. Either or. Example, you can have either cake or ice cream. Neither nor. Example, neither John nor Mary went to the meeting. Not only, but also. Example, she is not only intelligent but also kind. Whether or. Example, I don't know whether it will rain or snow. Understanding how these different types of conjunctions function will significantly improve your ability to construct clear, complex, and varied sentences in English. That's all we have for this lesson. If you have any questions or inquiries, don't hesitate to ask. Please drop that down in the comments. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Goodbye.